In each of these questions there are figures arranged in a large square. One figure is missing. Choose which figure from the answer choices is the missing one and mark its letter on the answer sheet. 5. Our larger square is made of 9 smaller squares, and as you can see we're working across the rows in each case until we get to the missing square here, which we're going to choose from one of the 5 answer options we're given. We're going to establish changes from left to right and then apply the same change to the bottom row in order to choose the correct figure for the missing square. The first thing you may notice is the arrangement of the triangle within each of the squares in the row. So in the first row we have the triangle over on the left hand side of the square. Then the alignment of the triangle changes and it's now at the bottom. In the third square the triangle is over at the right hand side. In the middle row something similar happens. The first triangle begins at the bottom like this with its base touching the bottom of the square, then it's to the right and then it's to the top. Here then we can say that the position of the triangle changes in each square as we move across the row, from left to bottom to right, from bottom to right to top. It's moving round in an anti-clockwise manner. We can apply this to the triangle in the bottom row, which starts on the right hand side and then moves to be arranged at the top. This means that the triangle we're looking for will move anti-clockwise and will have its base on the left hand side of the square here. For this reason we can eliminate option A, option C and option E, where you can see the triangles are not arranged correctly. Now let's look for other changes. In the top row you can see the triangle contains a star. In all 3 cases the star is towards the top of the triangle or the pointed part here. The arrangement or the alignment of the star does not change. As it moves around, there is always a point pointing upwards towards the top of the grid. In the second row here, you can see a different shape is present in this triangle. Here we have a circle. Once again, the circle is always towards the top part or the point of the triangle. In other words, it's in the opposite position to where the flat base of the triangle is positioned. In our final row at the bottom, you can see that we have a square shape. Square here and a square here. So we're expecting to see a square within the triangle we're going to choose, which is the case in both the answer options remaining. However, in D, you can see that the square is placed towards the base of the triangle, not at the top here. So D is incorrect, and we should choose option B, where the square is positioned correctly, and the triangle is also to the left of the square as it should be. Option B is the correct answer choice in order to complete the pattern successfully, like this. And you can show your answer of B on the answer paper like this.